everyone, welcome to Life Means More. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to teach early management skills to kids. So kids in their formative years are curious and highly adaptive to challenging situations. It is their eagerness to learn something new that keeps them on their toes. When it comes to managerial skills, it's not something which one can learn by memorizing any theory or by just sticking to a timetable. These skills are more extensive and vary from person to person upon their regular habits and schedules. This is why children in the age group of 6 to 12 years are in their best state of mind to become great managers and reap the benefits of this solid life skill in their later years. It is imperative for parents nowadays to implant early management skills in their children, as in most of the nuclear families, both parents are occupied with their professional work. Also, the little ones have to understand and be aware of their regular tasks. This can be something as simple as tidying up their cupboards or just reaching their classes on time, to major tasks such as completing their academic projects and preparing for their exams. So let us see some major categories of management skills that parents must direct their focus on. The first one is behavioral management. This has far-reaching benefits for kids in terms of communication and their overall attitude in a group setting. An important thing is the nurturing of kids begins from their homes. So it is very important for parents to keep a check on their daily engagement with people surrounding them, such as the helping staff, their co-workers, neighbors and friends. Our second skill is emotional management. The young ones must always be taught to have an open mind, as it will be an important catalyst for their mental growth. The smooth inflow of new thoughts also gives kids strength to be agile in their approach. The parents must also direct their attention towards making their children develop strong willpower. Even though growing up, the parents are always very protective about their kids, but a balance must also be maintained for preparing them well to cope up with the challenging adult life. The kids must realize that giving up or escaping should not be the go-to options every time for a task out of their comfort zone. Sometimes it is necessary to break the boundaries to grow. Coming to the next and important management skill, that is money management. Skills such as money management are acquired as the children grow. Money management from the early years can help kids gain financial confidence and prepare them to sustain within a budget. It is extremely important to help the kids understand the difference between non-compulsory and compulsory expenses. Savings of the present times are a treasure for the future. The habit of saving must be taught to the children with the help of managing their pocket money. Because money management since beginning also makes the children rethink about their demands from parents. They tend to become more reasonable as they grow instead of inflexible. So friends, these are some important management skills which are beneficial for your kids for their better future. That's it for today. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep watching. Thank you.